Find your purpose. Subscribe to the channel if you want to find your purpose. What is the secret that only 1% of the population knows? Stay till the end and we will reveal the secret that's right under your nose, and you never use it. Warren Buffett once said, "The more you learn, the more you earn." What a powerful statement. Look at successful people like Bill Gates or Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, Oprah Winfrey, Mark Cuban, and any other highly successful person. Do they know that you don't? They've found a purpose in life. They commit to learning new things every day. Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest humans on the planet, is famous for reading more than 5 hours every day. Bill Gates reads 1 book per week. Mark Cuban 3 hours a day. Oprah, well, she's just obsessed with books. Do you get it? Successful people never stop learning. Stay with us because we have a free bonus for everyone who watches till the end. The success or failure of you and your business depends on a few things. Some of these ideas are beyond your control, but others are right under your nose. Like I said earlier, before attempting to do anything at a high level, you need to determine your level of self-motivation. The achievements of a successful business come from the ability to arouse the commitment for success that must come from inside of you. How would you rate your self-motivation? Is it non-existent, small, average, tall, or towering? If you want to succeed, motivation must rest between tall and towering. Non-existent self-motivation means non-existent results. Before you make the decision to create anything, sit down and do some self-evaluation. If your self-motivation is non-existent, small, or average, don't beat yourself up. If you have a desire to do it, it can be done. The ability to adjust the level of your effort is not that difficult. The key ingredient is a willingness to change your mindset. Self-motivation is a trait or an ability that helps one find the ambition to start, the incentives to continue, and the resiliency to persevere. When developing your adventure, no one is telling you what to do, how to do it, or when to do it. You are alone on this journey, and finding the motivation for success is your responsibility. Self-motivation is starting, continuing, and persevering. The ability to apply these concepts will increase your opportunity for success. Stay till the end to get access to our Motivation Masterclass. Tony Robbins said, "What humans can do is amazing, what they will do is disappointing." Ask yourself, what brings value to your life? Is it your comfort, your lifestyle, your future? What you see as precious brings meaning and importance into your life. After determining what is important, consider improving it significantly. This is an important step for finding purpose. If you want to take self-motivation to the next level, propose that the important things in your life are worth improving. Without this desire, motivation will stay low. After deciding to enhance these areas, give motivation the opportunity to grow by developing a goal. The determination to create a business is driven by your desire to fire your boss and spend time with family. The value of your future is important, so you want to improve it. Congratulations. You have taken step 1 towards finding your purpose. You started. Step 1. Determine your goal. After determining your goal, develop a blueprint for achieving success. After creating this blueprint, organize your time for producing the success of your design. The expansion of yourself begins through these efforts. Step 2 is continuing the venture for creating your successful business. Remember your goal. Stay focused on this ambition because your effort will be challenged. You will be introduced to new concepts and new ideas for attaining success. They will be strange and different. If you want to attain this goal, commit to the learning process. Your development is entirely up to your ability to concentrate and focus on your craft, especially when obstacles begin to surface. Step 3 will present you with the biggest barrier, the temptation to quit. What happens when success does not materialize or the learning curve is too steep? When this moment arrives, and it will, you have come to the crossroads of self-realization. Will you quit or press on? The choice is yours. The success or failure of your business is dependent on this decision. Finding your purpose is not easy, but it can bring you personal fulfillment and the opportunity for making money. You have to be focused. It's challenging, but not impossible. It will require you to get out of your comfort zone and getting clear about what you want for yourself. Get started. Your future depends on many things, the most important one being you.